swimming and moving around. There's even a couple real close to us right here. Make sure we stay seated though. Now they can reach a length of 20 feet and they can bite down with a jaw pressure of 2,000 pounds per square inch. We're not going to see a demonstration of that today though. I want to keep everybody safe out on the safari. Notice a change in the landscape here, making our way to a much more open savanna area. Look on the right, you can see a baobab tree, also known as an upside down tree for those funny looks it has. I have those cameras up and ready. In my opinion, this is the best view on the entire reserve. There we go. Oh, looks like we're gonna get to see some giraffe today. Nice and close to the truck right here on the right. There's also some sable antelope back behind them. And don't miss the baby giraffe up ahead of us. There's a baby up ahead to the right messing around in those bushes. Great looking some giraffe today. You can see some water buck and Patterson's eland on the right. Patterson's eland are the largest antelope in Africa, so they're the bigger animals over there. So water buck nice and close to us here. Stop for a little picture of the Patterson's eland. Now really check out this landscape. It's a very clean cut environment out here. The animals maintain it all on their own. No human help needed. You'll see some trees knocked down by the bulldozers, also known as elephants. Those trees decompose, provide fertilizer for the grass to grow nice and green. That grass gets plenty of sunlight because the tree trimmers keep a nice high canopy on all these trees. They're known as giraffes. You saw some earlier. They eat all the branches and leaves up to about 20 feet. Now we're going to be nice and close to the Ankole cattle. I'll stop for a good picture here. Both male and female Ankole cattle have horns. The male's a little bigger. I think it's the male on the left there. Those horns can reach a length of 6 feet and be 20 inches around at the base. And they're actually hollow on the inside. They kind of have a honeycomb structure making up that inside. So they're very light but still strong. And they act as the air conditioning. Their blood will flow up into those horns and cool off before flowing back into their body. Over on the right, you can see a giraffe walking away from us. You can see some wildebeest real close to us here. Oh, there's also one in the left in the bushes. I'll stop for a picture for both sides. Two of them in the bushes there. Their name means wild beast. They have a very menacing look. You see how they earned that name. Their herds number in the tens of thousands in Africa. So So that was a very small herd we saw here on Harambe. There's a giraffe over there on the right. Let's stop for one last picture before we make our way over towards Monkey Point.